This is assignment 6 of AR and VR development, and for this assignment we are going to add text and audio effects to our previously made projects. So first let's start with adding text. We add a canvas, and in this canvas we can add our text. We have UI legacy text. Let's focus on our text. This looks like a good position. Now we will rename this to indicate to the player that we need him to press a specific button to play the sound. We'll also add an image background to make the text more visible. Let's change this color to black. Let's move the image behind the text, and we'll change the color of the text to white. And when we run the scene, we can see our text is appearing over here, but if we press space, nothing happens right now, so we'll have to add functionality for that. Let's quickly save the scene, click on the cube and focus on that. Yeah, so we can come back to our scene. Now let's create an audio clip first. I'll quickly import a simple SFX from another game that I had made previously. We'll just reuse our assets from there. Here is our sound clip, and we will add an audio source to the cube, and to this cube we will add our audio clip. We will uncheck the play on awake because we do not want this to play when the game starts. We only want this to play when the player presses the button. Let's add another folder. We'll call this for scripts, and we'll create a new script in here. Let's call this play sound. In here, first we will define that we need a public audio source. Let's call it sound, and in the update method we have to check if the player has pressed the space bar. There we go. And we have to play the sound once we get key code space. We save this, and now we can add the script to our game object. We shall add the script to the cube itself. Let's add this to the cube. We add this to the cube, and here we need to plug in our audio source. Let's drag this and attach it over here. This should now work. Let's test it out. If I press the space button, you can hear a sound plays. So yeah, that's it for this first part of the project. Let's quickly save this and close this. Now we can move on to the second project. I have followed the similar steps as I have done in the previous projects, and in our assets we have a scripts folder where I created the same place sound script, and I also have an SFX folder in which I have the same SFX. This time instead of the cube, I have attached the audio source and the script to the character model over here. The settings are exact same as the previous project, and that's it. If I press play button, we see the text over here. The rest of our project is working as it used to be. When I press space, we get the audio clip playing. So that's it for this assignment. Thank you.